Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So this is a video regarding your task on business model canvas. Okay, before that I hope all of you are in a good condition and all the best for your proposal event next week. So this is the task for you where you need to read the instruction. If you look at the instruction, please watch this BMC video. The title is the business model canvas 9 steps to creating a successful business model startup tips. Okay, if you click this video, you will learn about how to 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 get an idea to start your business or to do your startup. Okay, so after you watch this video, later you are required to produce a 3 minutes video individually. Okay, not by group, individually, by integrating the idea of business model canvas. The most important thing is must have income generation for future project and the service learning or SULAM activity that you have conducted previously at Desa College. That means you need to promote your idea on how to become an entrepreneur or how to deliver your service. At the same time, you can make money. You can do income generation. Might be not now, but later on after you have graduated from USIM. So that is the thing that I would like you to tell me or to tell everyone in a 3 minutes video. Okay. So before that, okay, the mode of presentation is freestyle. You can do whatever. You can use. You can show your picture. You can use screencast-o-matic. You have your slide and then you have your picture, your video. I mean your video while explaining this, or you can use Powtoon, whatever. As long as it is 3 minutes, and then it must be precise, and then to get marks, you need to look at the rubric. Okay, the rubric is for entrepreneur mind 3 minutes video on from service learning to income generation. It got two main criteria. Where the first one is vision. If you want to get full mark, you must to deliver excellent vision to disseminate the required idea. Okay, and then if you cannot do it, like you don't have any vision, okay, and then to integrate both business model development and service learning, so you will get a very low mark. And then networking, this is very important. The last criteria for this task, you, you need to show your excellent awareness that entrepreneur requires entrepreneurial networking. So what kind of networking you need to do? Might be with the agency, with the I mean NGO or ministry, who is going to give you money or sponsorship for your program, or might be this will be like a short course where you can sell your idea, or you can give your idea to other people and then you can make money by charging them. Okay, so but remember, you need to remember that must integrate between business model canvas and also service learning. Okay, and then bear in mind, service learning you cannot charge the community that you want to serve, because they are the community. So we are not going taking money from the community, but how are you going to get the sponsorship or the money that are required to convey your idea? Okay, okay. Okay, if we go back to your task, okay, I think there are two tasks left for all of you. Okay, individual reflection 200 words. Okay, you need to do your individual reflection. If we go to the goals, let's look at the link that I have given to all of you. Okay, so this is the link that I have mentioned to all of you. Individual reflection deadline. So you need to follow. I have give 1 more week for you to submit this individual reflection. Previously, I have said at 17th of June. Okay, now is 24th of June. Okay, next week. And then also next week you will have video submission here. Okay, 24th of June as well. So you need to work accordingly how to complete these two tasks, because the marks for this 10% and also 5%. 10% for individual reflection, 200 words, and 5% for your 3 minutes video. Okay, so let's look at if we click here, this will be the page. Okay, if you look at the deadline, 24th of June 2022, 12 a.m. then you have 6 days and 15 hours left. Okay, as usual, you just need to submit, okay, via this link. Okay, I have seen that two of you already submitted the task, which is good. Okay, congrats to all of you. And then for the reflection, make sure that you need to follow the rubric that I have given to all of you previously. Where if you look at the rubric, okay, hold on, yeah, let me find it. Just oh, this is in other rubric. Hold on, yeah. Okay, this is under LO5 rubric, where written communication, individual reflection, on SULAM reflection, 10%. Okay, so for grammar usage and spelling, okay, you need to make sure that no errors in punctuation, scientific symbols, spelling, and word usage in order for you to get full marks. Okay, then organization or structural development of the idea. Okay, demonstrate logical and fluent sequencing of ideas through well-developed paragraph. Last but not least, your self-reflection. Excellent ability to relate SULAM project with the course learning outcome systematically. So you need to relate with your course learning outcome. We have you have three course learning outcome. So let's look back at the course learning outcome. We have these three, okay? LO4, LO5, and also LO8, okay? Demonstrate ethic and professionalism in producing safe chemistry-based product for consumption, human and or animals. The second one is develop communication skill in product pitching and evaluation, practice of entrepreneurial and managerial skill towards the student innovation in real world scenario. So you need to relate with one of the LO here, or you can relate with all three LO if you want. Okay, but bear in mind the limit is 200 words. Okay, do your best. Please relate it with the SULAM activity that you have done. Okay, what experience you have achieved might be in terms of the how you manage to communicate with the people, or how can you demonstrate your ethics and professionalism in producing your product. And then might be during the event you already you already find the idea how to convert this SULAM activity into business that might be you can do later on, okay, with respect to your task, right? Or with respect to whatever you have learned during your undergraduate, especially with respect to this particular subject. Okay, now let's go back to the goals. Okay, so if you look at the link for video submission deadline is on 24th of June as well. If we click here, okay, no one have submitted the video yet. It is logic because I haven't shared the video previously, right? So today I have already shared the video. Hope you will watch the video and this video as well, the video in YouTube as well as this video, to understand further regarding the task that has the task that has been given to all of you. So I think that's all for now. Okay, all the best to all of you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Take care.